In this video, I'll be sharing a promo code for Base44 that's going to get you a discount on any of their paid plans. Now, I actually made a video about this before, and the code worked for a lot of you, but not for everyone. So in this video, I want to walk you through a couple of extra steps that are going to make sure it actually works for you this time. So the first thing you're going to want to do before anything else is connect to a VPN and set it to the United States. And if you don't already have one, I personally use UrbanVPN Proxy, which you can grab for free right from the Chrome Web Store. Super easy to set up. And as you can see here, I'm already connected to the US. So once you've got that sorted, you're good to move on to the next step. Now, go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video. That's going to take you straight to the official Base44 website. And here's something really important. You need to create a brand new account with an email you've never used on Base44 before. So just click Build Now, enter your email, and create your account. I've already got mine set up, so it takes me right to the dashboard. And once you're in, you might actually notice a limited time welcome offer sitting right there that gives you 30% off on the yearly plans. So that's already a nice bonus. You can click on that and it'll take you to the pricing page where you've got 4 options: Startup, Builder Pro, and Elite. And let's say you want to go with the Builder plan. Normally that's $40 a month, but on the yearly plan with the discount already applied, it drops down to $28 a month. Pretty solid savings right there. But now here's where the promo code comes in. So go ahead and click Subscribe to Builder and choose whichever plan works for you. This code actually works on both monthly and yearly. Then click Continue to Checkout and you'll land on the Stripe checkout page. And on the left side, you're going to see a field that says Enter a promotion code. Click on that, type in TAAFT and hit Apply. Give it a few seconds and you'll see a 10% discount get applied automatically. And what's cool is even if you accidentally remove the code, Stripe will actually suggest it to you again and you can just click on it and it reapplies instantly. So it's a completely working code right now. And the reason we connect to a US VPN first is because depending on your region, the code might not go through. So that's really the key step that makes this work for everyone. Once the code is applied, you've just got your payment details to fill in on the right side. You can pay by card or bank account, and I'd recommend going with the bank because you'll get an extra $5 cash back on top of everything else. So between the welcome offer and this promo code, you're stocking some really good discounts here. And the code works on any paid plan, so no matter which tier you're going with, you're going to get that 10% off. Just follow the steps in this video and there's really no reason it shouldn't work for you. And if you want a full walkthrough of everything Base44 can actually do, definitely check out the video appearing on your screen right now.